In this short video, I will explain how to correct reverse bay parking right side approach if you slightly mismanage steering ratio and movement. If you don't prefer the mirror and line geometry trick, try aligning your rear end with the third line from the bay you picked. Please consider the size of your vehicle. As you begin reversing into the right side bay, your coordination ability should become evident, even if you don't get off to a good start. The right side reverse bay parking is always a little bit more difficult, so you have to be prepared to make adjustments. This time there was no need for any corrections. If you do need to correct it, follow this step-by-step guide to perfect right side bay parking. If you make an approach error, don't stress because there's almost always room for adjustments. And here's what to do to fix it. This time I'm almost about 1 meter wide. I'm going to center the vehicle first and then turn right slightly to bring it closer to the right line, and then I will straighten up before I drift on an angle to the other side. In the next demonstration, I'm going to purposely go a lot wider, and I will have the steering wheel graphics so you can easily identify what I'm doing to fix it, even if I started steering way too late. Now my trajectory doesn't look so good. I'm too far from the line. Don't straighten up before you bring the right side a lot closer to the right line. When you turn the steering wheel left in reverse, your rear end goes left, and vice versa. When you turn right in reverse, your rear end goes right, while your front end goes the opposite way. So there you go. This is all you need to know. If you follow these steps, you will always be able to correct your reverse parking without losing one single point in your driving test. Mastering reverse bay parking left side approach. Alignment trick. Begin by aligning your left side mirror with the third line of the chosen bay. This clever geometry trick sets the stage. Starting point.